Hi folks, welcome to MTS. So today we're going to start out. I picked up a workhouse with sound from Lionel. It's the early intermodal office with sounds. Item number 6-82874. It's a plug and play. So I've got my existing layout. I'm going to have to replace this section of track with the new plug and play section, and it has, the building itself has a little large end here, so I'm going to have to use one of my larger drill bits. But basically going to remove this light, move it over on this side, and then I'm going to basically set this up and plug it in after I get the holes drilled. So yeah, it'd be an interesting project. Okay, so we're going to remove the little greenery here, and I'm going to have to move all this ballast out of the way, so I'm going to use my trusty brush. Just going to lift that up, just get it away from where it connects the track. And I'm going to make sure I get all this ballast out of the way for the new workhouse. Unscrew this old light. Wires off. I'm going to utilize this existing hole just to minimize additional holes in my layout. So first, let's go push that down through, and then second, we will remove this portion of track. Okay. Just going to replace that with the new lock-on piece. Okay, that part's simple. So I've drilled my hole where the cord will go into the layout. I've also drilled the hole where it's going to come out from underneath the layout and plug in to the plug and play track. I'm also going to go ahead and drill a new hole here to run that wire for my little spotlight. So I've drilled the hole. I've already run my wire back up through here. So we're just going to screw this down where the wire meets. I'll fasten that down, and also put some greenery over that just so it hides. We'll go ahead and run the wire for the new workhouse. And we're going to come back up through. And just plug that in. And I'll just use some greenery to cover that hole up. So now I'm just going to I've got the new building installed. Got the greenery covering where the holes were, for the most part. There we go. And now we're just going to put the ballast. Put it back there. And we'll get a little bit more ballast to put down there. Okay, so got the new building installed. Pretty simple from a wiring standpoint. Literally just drilled a hole on the backside, drilled a hole on the front, ran the wire into, and then plugged it in to the new track. Moved my previous light and set that up there. We have the K-line loading dock. So we'll go ahead and turn everything on and see what we got.
All right, let's get to work.
That's great. I love the sound. It's coming through nice and clear. Maybe a little loud yet. Maybe have to turn that down a little bit. But when the trains are going, you'll be able to hear it just fine. So very pleased with this purchase. As you can see, pretty simple to set up. So if you like the video, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.